Hello guys, today in our lecture we will discuss about data structure and lists in Python. We will cover data structure in Python, lists, operations, and operations with lists, and there will be some extra slides about hard and soft skills. Also you will have some extra task. Okay, let's first discuss what's data structure. Data structure is the collection of data values and relationship or architectural structure among them. Data types in Python divides in two groups: one-dimensional data types and two-dimensional data types. For example, one-dimensional data types are list, set, tuple, and dictionary, while two-dimensional data types is data frame and matrix. In our lectures, we will from one-dimensional we will discuss about lists. In two-dimensional we will discuss about data frame and matrix. For example, why actually two-dimensional, how I can say, especially in data science, mostly we have the two-dimensional data set, because whatever tabular data which has that rows and columns, everything is two-dimensional. They can be either data frame and a matrix. First we will discuss is list. What's list? List is the sequence of the values, the value in a list called elements, or sometimes it can called items. For example, we can create the elements with the numbers, with character, with strings, and or we can create a mix. For example, let's make example sun. Yeah, in Kazakh it means the numbers. Yeah. For example, 4, 5, 3, 2, 9, sun. If I ask type sun, it is list. Yeah. And then we can create that gems. In Kazakh it means fruits. Yeah. Gems list which contains, for example, creating list, just we should put the square brackets, that's all. Apple, kiwi. Here guys I should put this quotes, otherwise it will not be accepted. Apple, kiwi, banana, and the king of the fruits is mango. Yes. Yeah. Moreover, we can have the mixed list. Adam, Python, Java, it will have this kind of list which contains the string and the integer. Yeah. And then we can call the nested lists. For example, we can create a list which one list inside other list. For example, nested list, suppose is due finance, and let's call sun. Let's insert sun, and Almaty. Let's create nested. Yeah, it will be like that. Yes. Nested means list inside the list. Okay, lists are mutable, means we cannot change, means we can change the elements. For example, from in fruits, for example, if in our case first element is anar, we can replace to kiwi. Okay, in my case, for example, in GMS, I have, for example, let's change reverse order. For example, let me change kiwi to anar. Yes. Currently, if I call GMS first index, it will be kiwi. How I can replace? It's very simple. Just I should denote that GMS first element will be what? Anar. Let me call GMS again. Yeah, now it has been changed. Look what it had changed. It has been changed. A second element was kiwi, now it became anar. Like that we can change any element. Operations in list, we can concatenate, we can repeat, we can index, we can make slice on list. Yeah. What's concatenation? Concatenation, for example, adding, merging two lists with each other. For example, if A list is equal to 1, 2, 3, B list is equal to 4, 5, 6, A plus B will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Repetition, we can repeat certain lists a lot of time. For example, if we multiply A by 4, we will get sequential repetition of this element, for example, 4 times, for this list 4 times. Indexing like string, we can jump onto elements which we like. Indexing in list starts from 0. For example, sun, let's first call sun, yeah, sun 0 element will be 4, sun minus 1 element will be 9. Yeah? Minus 1 means last element. Yeah? Element. We can make slice. For example, we can find the slice. For example, sun first element till third element, and it will be second and third element. Yeah? 5 and 2. And I can do this one. For example, sun first. If I put like that, it will show from first till the end. Yeah? All of the elements. Methods, we can have the methods. We can append, we can extend, we can sort, sum, delete, and remove. First, let's start from append. Append means adding new element add to the end of the list. For example, it's the same, very simple. For example, we have the fruits. Yeah, we have the list called gems. Gems list. Yeah, apple, anar, banana, mango. Yeah, what we want to add? For example, gems dot append what we want to add. Okay, let's add melon. Yes. melon. Let me return gems. Yeah, I have melon. Yeah, extend. For example, let's create gems too. Extend, difference between extend append. For example, in append, when we are adding one element at the end, but in extend we are adding the list. For example, list may contain 2 elements, 3 elements, n elements. It will be extended. Also, it's the same, like from the end it will extend. For example, gems2, it will contain what? Okay, let's add more tropical fruits. Yeah, papaya, jackfruit. Yeah, jackfruit. We want to extend, guys. If you look carefully here, this is very much important. For example, T1 is the main list. Extend, we are extending by T2. It's very essential. For example, gms dot extend gems2. Let's call gems. Yeah, it had been extended. Yeah, sorting means putting them in ascending order, increasing order. When it comes to letters, it will sort by what? Alphabetical order. When it comes to numbers, it will put on the from in increasing order. Yes, ascending order. Okay, let's check it. For example, let's put kind of one. For example, we can sort our gems list. Yeah, apple, anar, banana, jackfruit, mango, melon, papaya. They are looking the first element by ASCII code. For example, A alphabetically comes before then B, G comes before then M, yeah, like that in alphabetical order. Okay, we have the sun. Yes, let's sort the sun. For example, before sorting, sun is ordered located in this area order. Sun dot sort sun. Yeah, 2 4 5 9. It's like that. Sum adding the elements list, such a common operation that Python provides is as a built-in function, sum. For example, sum which works with integers, sum sun 20, yeah? It's 9 plus 11, yeah, 20. Delete. For example, if we want to remove the value, we can use delete operator. Yeah, we can, for example, from the gems we have these elements. Let's guys, we have for deleting, for removing, we have two functions, delete or remove. In delete we are removing value by index. In remove, we are specifically removing by the item itself. Delete A, B, C. For example, let's from GMS, let's divide first element. What will be GMS now? Yeah, we are removing first element is the apple. We are removing the apple. We remind it like that. For example, we can delete them by 2-3 elements by index. Yeah. For example, 1 0 1 2 3 4. From 4 to last, let's delete them. For example, delete del GMS 40 last GMS. Why I call 40 last? Yeah, anyway, if I delete them, of course it will be empty set. Yeah. From first element, all of them gone. Okay, and let's come to remove. In remove, we are calling the specific item. For example, GMS dot remove what? Banana. Anar, jackfruit, mango. Okay, with that our list topic has been finished. Thank you for your attention.